Hello student, today we are going to start some multiple choice question, MCQ and also answer on welding technology under mechanical engineering, Module-4. Question number 1. The following welding process uses consumable electrode. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Mech welding. In Mech welding, we use consumable electrode. Question number 2. Which of the following welding processes uses non-consumable electrode? There are 4 options. Correct answer is TIG welding. Correct answer is B. TIG welding. In TIG welding process, non-consumable electrode are used. Question number 3. Which one of the following metal has the least weldability? There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Stainless steel. Stainless steel has the least weldability. Question number 4. Acetylene gas is produced from. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Calcium carbide. Calcium carbide, from which acetylene gas is produced. Question number 5. For oxidizing flame, the ratio of oxygen to acetylene is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. For oxidizing flame, the ratio of oxygen and acetylene is 1.5:1. Question number 6. For carburising flame, the ratio of oxygen to acetylene. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. For carburising flame, the ratio of oxygen and acetylene 0.1. Question number 7. Oxygen to acetylene ratio in case of neutral flame is. There are 4 options. Correct answer is B. 1:1. Oxygen to acetylene ratio in case of neutral flame is 1:1. Question number 8. Which of the following materials is best cut by oxy-cutting process? Oxygen cutting process. There are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Mild steel. Question number 9. Carburising flame is used to weld metal like. There are 4 options. Correct answer is C. Aluminium, stainless steel, zinc, die-casting, nickel, etc. are used for welding in carburizing flame. Question number 10. Neutral flame has, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Neutral flame has 2 zones. Question number 11. Carburising flame has, there are 4 options. Correct answer is C. 3 zones in carburising flame. Question number 12. In forehand gas welding operation, the angle between the rod and work is kept around, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. 30-degree angle. Question number 13. The acetylene cylinder is filled with a material saturated with, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Acetone. Question number 14. Spot welding is most suitable for joining part having thickness up to, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. 10 mm. Question number 15. Acetylene is stored in the gas cylinder, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Acetylene is stored in gas cylinder in liquid form. Question number 16. Cylinders in which oxygen gas is stored are, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. Seamless steel cylinder in which oxygen gas is stored. Question number 17. Rate of welding steel by carburizing flame as compared to that of neutral flame is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. First. Rate of welding steel by carburizing flame as compared to that of neutral flame is first. Question number 18. Metals like copper and brass can be welded by, there are 4 options. Correct answer is A. Oxidizing flame is used for metal like copper and brass. Question number 19. A soldering iron bit is made of, there are 4 options. Correct answer is D. A soldering iron bit is made of copper. Question number 20. For cutting operation, the most suitable flame is, there are 4 options. Correct answer is B. Oxidizing flame is most suitable flame for cutting operation.